What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at AMD stock. Guys, we'll do the technical analysis, the price action. Let's see if AMD will go this week all the way down to $132, where 200 days moving average is from 162 or 163, where it is right now. So, all in all, is that a possibility on AMD stock? So, or sorry, 135 is where 200 days moving average is. It's going to come up a little bit up there, but is this flush possible is what we will be looking at in this video. We'll take a look at technicals and also some of the news I want to go over with you guys. So let's jump right into it. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, okay? You are solely responsible for your own decisions and outcomes. So guys, I have a news here on AMD that China tells telecom carriers to phase out foreign chips in blow to Intel and AMD. That's pretty much the gist as well. So China is phasing out all the chips they use of the foreign companies, and definitely they're going to lose these AMD and Intel big market share of the Chinese economy or the market, right? But we trade with the technicals, you know that, and technically what AMD has been doing is lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? We are in the downtrend. We lost this trend line. It had a lot of good pivots, right? It had a lot of good pivots, and we lost all of these pivots. We retested this from the bottom, and we failed. We rejected 20 days, 50 days moving average as well, and we flushed. Now, this is where we had this consolidation. However, we lost that consolidation as well. I'll have to take it to the hourly interval to show you that where that confirmation was, and that is right around once well guys, we rejected at this significant level of 170. We are below 200 hours moving average, and we broke this trend line of some of the intraday uptrend it was showing. So losing this trend line has been just a bloodbath on this thing. The play, oh yes, I want to provide you an update on the play as well that I'm planning to open on this, and this is right over here. I talked about it on my Friday video that I'm planning to open it. I didn't open it yet because it never flushed in, at least in the market regular hours, and that's what I was planning. Now I'm going to see in the pre-market if it's going to flush below this area of 161 and 83 cents. Now, it's just not that it flushes and then I'll take the position, because then the move has already happened. So what I look for, the things also, that's all is also what I'm going to talk about now in this video. So is AMD uptrend? Can it go uptrend, Junior Trader? Can it become bullish? Guys, to put it simply, AMD is not bullish for me as long as right now, going into this week, if it's not able to get above 174, it's not bullish for me. Can it do it? My opinion is that it's impossible right now. It has to change the structure for that. Right now, the structure is telling me lower highs, lower lows. It's in the downtrend, Junior Trader. That's what AMD is telling me, okay? So no, it's not bullish right now. If we can start getting above 170 and 174, sure, we can start talking about upside. Otherwise, nope. Okay, so let's focus on the downside then, because that's where the play is. So, and that's what I want to focus on. So I'm looking for a flush play. I'm targeting two areas. One is definitely 150 if it flushes 161, and then the next area around $135 level. So here's the game. I'm planning to go it in if two type of situation arises. One, if it rebounds in the pre-market a little bit, and I see rejections at one of these levels, like 165 and 60 cents, not higher than that actually. If in pre-market it is at 165 and 65 cents and rejects, then when the market is about to open and it's still in this zone between 162 and 165 cents, then on the lower time frame, I'll watch the break of these levels. All right, and as soon as 5 minutes candle or something confirms me a break of these levels, I'm in. It has to be a very particular, again, I'm not going to sit here and do that. Like as in, oh, this is where I have to click the button. I better click the button. No. Once I start seeing the rejection, if this is the case developing up here, right, it started rejecting, I'll already place the order in this zone. I do want to see the weakness though in the price action, right? So that's what I'm saying. I'll read the price action up here, but then I'm not going to sit here and wait, oh, price dipped there, let me enter now. I'm just going to place my order, and if it fills, we'll enter. Now there's another situation that can happen if it in pre-markets is already quite low. Let's say if it and that's the thing that I have to see really when the pre-market opens. When the pre-market opens and it starts to go lower, I might have to just open it wherever, the limit order in the pre-market, wherever that is. So, and I might not go heavy position right away. I might little bit go slowly, and then when the market opens and if any rebound comes and it starts rejecting at these levels, then I would add a little bit more. But the thing is that if it already in the pre-market is lower than 161, there is no guarantee that it's going to rebound as well, right? You don't know how high the rebound would go. So if I want to take this position, it's right at that spot. I just have to make sure that the very first 5 to 10 minutes in the 5 to 10 minutes won't do anything. At least 30 minutes, I take a look in the pre-market and see what the price action is doing, right? Volatility in the pre-market usually comes during the just when 2 to 3 hours just before the market is about to open as well. So, you don't have to rush into pre-market as well. Just take your time. I'm gonna just take my time. As if again, guys, if this thing gaps like lower, like here 154, let's see if it just opens at 154. I'm not gonna take the short play then. I want to see a rebound because I want to short it at the rejection level of these areas 161. So also the price action will get much more clear to you guys if I go to the 4 hours interval. So here's the thing that 160, yeah, the loss of this is also losing these support zones here, right? This is where this thing was trying to hold itself, right? But it's failing. So if this level loses pretty much, guys, this is to the downtrend, and we are not bullish on AMD if we are not able to recapture 174, right? So this is on the daily interval I'm showing you because you can see a lot in the chart here, right? Otherwise I'll have to like shrink it. So anyways, guys, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's weak, very weak. There's no point in looking upside on this, not swing. Intraday long, junior trader, do you think this can go intraday long? You are talking short, yeah, that's fine. But what about intraday long? Well, guys, for that, I want to see it go above 165 and 50 cents. If it can do that, sure, why not? Otherwise, guys, no, I'm not going to do that. Okay, I am not going to do that if it goes yeah, sorry, if it goes over 165 intraday long, maybe, otherwise no, right? But then the profit target would be still just 170, but that's just intraday play. But yeah, that just means that the short play is still not there, not even swing short. But swing long, no. Intraday long, maybe yes. Cool. Okay, dokie, guys. Well, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below of this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.